Papaya. Now we know the papaya is ripe because it's yellow or a little bit reddish when it turns ripe, kind of like the mango, and it's not all super green. You take the papaya, you cut it in half. Actually pretty cool on the inside. Just some seeds. These seeds are not edible. All right, so let me put them here in the trash. All right, we're back. So you clean out the papaya. You take some lime and you squeeze some lime juice over them. And that's it. And it's really kind of tasty. The sweet and the sour go good together. All right. You sure you want to try this? It's really good.
Okay.
All right. What do you think? See? Better than you thought.